It's been a good long minute since I've done a full head of rollers. I don't think I've ever done it with like my black hair. Basically faded to brunette now. I partied this weekend. Oh my god, I feel like I'm 50 and I'm literally 20. I think I'm having some kind of like reaction to drinking. I feel so puffy and it's been like 2 days now and it hasn't gone away. Thank God for this little thing because it's been helping. Wish you could have seen how I woke up today. It was scary. I'm loving this Kerastase leave-in. All the volume today, so I'm using my Kinra mousse. Ooh, a lot. I love the feeling of mousse on your scalp. It's so like cooling. I was doing back handsprings on the grass this weekend. I don't know why. I feel it in my whole body, especially my arms. Blowout's gonna be rougher than normal. Favorite product on the planet, literally. Here we go. Literally impossible for me to dry it and roll it as I go. I can't get up to my root and dry the rest of the sections, so it's kind of a pain in the ass, but I dry it all and then I roll it. I'm wearing my hair wavy for the last couple days, so I know this is about to hit different. Smooth it all out. The rolls from Kitsch, because they have like metal in them and it cools down with your hair. Another heated layer for smoothness. I feel like I look high. I'm not. My eyes are just so red and I feel so puffy. I really do 2 sections because my hair's kind of thin. One's all upwards, where the arm workout really comes in. Woo! The roller, I do it like halfway-ish around. Wrap it as neat as I can and then roll it down. These duckbill clips, a little bit of a smaller one for my bang. Kind of just depends on the amount of thickness I grab. Roll it and pin it. Mohawk section's done. Grabbing a bigger section. Curl these. I like to wiggle it. Then pull it a ways down. Wrap it. Keep a lot of tension in there. It helps you get like the neatest roller. And then pin it. Oh my god, is my house gonna blow down? It's thundering so loud. I always feel like such a cutie when I do rollers. It take me that many because I use big rollers and I don't have a lot of hair. So it's only like, what, 5 on each side? Boom, biatch. We have 1 more left and I'll be free. Can you believe I've done all this without a coffee? I'm gonna drink a whole water before I drink my coffee and it's the hardest thing I've ever done. It's so hot. I need to stop going in with it like that. These are like the most annoying ones because it's hard to like place it around your ear. Slay! Living proof texture spray. I like to let these sit as long as possible. I like to take them out after doing my makeup for the full bombshell effect. Hate to be annoying, but you're gonna have to go to my next video to see the results. See you there, baddies.